What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Today we are gonna be shaving some of the firewall on Chachen's truck, and we're getting that set up right now. Danny, it's my first time filming, so don't fucking judge me. It is what it is. So right now what we're gonna do is we're setting up the welding machine, getting everything prepped up. After that, we will be rolling the truck forward. The fire blanket, basically, we're trying to protect the epoxy floor. You know, spend a lot of money on that bad boy. Ain't trying to ruin it. To get it away from Danny's car and also the Lincoln, so we don't do any damage to those vehicles. We'll give it a test run as we're wire wheeling, cleaning up the engine bay. And if we notice that we're throwing a lot of spark, then we'll take a different approach. We'll basically start shaving all these little holes. What we'll start doing is start cleaning it up with the grinder, get it all prepped up. We'll take it section by section, starting with this side. I'll come in and help out and grinding these holes down. So that way Chach can come in and fill those in with the welding machine. Pretty sure we're gonna shave that hole where the wiring harness comes out of. We're giving it a test run with the wire wheel, just to kind of see how good it cleans it up. We're pretty confident that this is probably gonna work a lot better than the tire paw, and it won't be shooting any sparks up. So we'll continue on with this. And if we run into any other issues where we can't use this, we'll go ahead and use the tire paw. Always use protection, guys. Safety glasses, gloves. I don't have the guard on here. Normally you want to have the guard on there, but we wouldn't be able to get this job done right with the guard. So we gave it a test run. It's looking pretty good. Chachen here is gonna run the welding machine, make sure that that thing is running legit. Hey Chach, let's go ahead and stop right there. We have a little situation here. I'm noticing as Chachen's welding, our blanket's catching fire. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna swap out the blanket for the fire tarp. Things are burning down there.
What's going on?
Yeah, I'll let you explain, bro.
Trying to tack away, but it's just making more holes. We're messing with the heat, the speed of the wire. Same thing. Called my father-in-law for some tips, and he said lower down the speed, turn up the temperature, but it's still fucking up. So we'll probably call it a day, go home, brainstorm, see what's up. If not, probably just have someone fabricate something, or me and John figure something out.
And just like that, we'll be back and see what we can do tomorrow, possibly.
John started off this video. I don't know how far they've gone into it and how much detail they've been talking about and what we're doing. Junior is starting to weld up the bay, and it's actually coming really good. I think there was a lot of trial and error before. That's what John said. I have to look over the footage and see where they fucked up at, aside from the ground. That's why they got the plywood over here, just to make sure.
You guys can see in the video before this, we had a lot of fuck-ups going on. We went back to the drawing board, took about a week off to get the information that we needed.
Man, look at this shit now, bro.
You start looking at those welds.
Sheet metal, dude, that shit looks good, dude.
Tacking away.
What's up,
Hey,
Papa?
moral of this video, do your homework, do your research. That's it.
And never give up. You were like, I don't want to do this no more.
John's the one that kept me motivated. If not, I would've
Good, bro.
John's the one with the idea of putting the sheet metal, and I was like, let's do it. And he cut it up, started tacking it, and I'm like, dude,
Bro, trust me, once you get all the, like, grind it down and get all the fucking body work done, easy, bro.
Check those tacks out, dude, on that.
Couple tacks, tack it all the way through, bro.
Tacking away.
Way better. This is what we're starting off with. Look at this shit, dude. Like, this is what we're starting off with. This is what we were ending up with filling in the holes. Way better.
So what was the issues that you guys were running into?
I think a lot of it, the heat, the gas, just adjusting everything. Not only that, just the cleaning of the paint, removing all the paint in between the holes.
And I know Junior and I went to go get a smaller wire, right? Or you guys ended up
Correct.
using it or no?
We had a 0.0035 or something like that.
.035.
35, and then now we got 0.025.
Okay, yeah, that's the one we picked up, right?
And then the PSI was at 50, and we dropped it down to 12 to 15.
Really?
Yeah.
So this is MIG, not TIG, too, so it's different.
So it's different, like all the settings. Even on the Miller, the settings is way different from a Lincoln.
Yeah?
Yeah.
We learned all that after doing research for sure.
Well, looks like you guys made a lot of progress already, dude.
Yeah, so
once you start filling up the little holes, too.
Here's the test panel we were doing to figure out exactly where we wanted to be at as far as adjusting the temperature and everything. So it took trial and error, but we got it.
You're gonna get down, dude.
Motivating for more shaves for sure.
Hey, this
And
guy,
what's
that
next?
one.
What's next? Right here, this bad boy.
E30, dirty 30. The sheet metal on this will be a lot easier, I'll tell you that.
Where's the glue?
This is gonna fall, bro.
Yeah, so what you want to do is, basically when you're tacking it, what you want to do is you want to skip like about 2 inches and tack, work your way around, back and forth, and then let it cool down so it doesn't warp.
I was super tired coming in, and now I got energy just looking at it. Positive vibes right there. That's
Positive
why.
vibes, get shit done.
Hey, go outside. Go outside. Think about how you came in and come back.
So, as Danny had mentioned, Danny walks in, I'm calling him, and he's just ignoring me with this nasty taste in his mouth or some nasty look. So I call him back outside. I told him, hey, I need you to walk back in. Try that again. And sure enough, did the meet and greet, walked in with a big smile on his face, and
And then you guys did this hole too, huh?
We won't talk about that right now.
Why? What happened?
still, like I said, we're still not professional. Pre-cut the sheet metal.
This was like the hardest part. I feel like with the body work, you're gonna get down easy. That's your
He's,
expertise right there.
even this shit, he's gonna be able to get. All this shit that we're doing right now, we just gotta get back into the groove of shit.
We've been discussing of how we're gonna run the harness through. If we run the harness through, let's say, the heater hoses hole or the AC, we might not have to extend any wires because it's actually a shorter route to the things we need. So that's kind of what we're thinking. Take those out, probably take off the dash, start removing everything, because we're gonna be deleting everything.
Since John came up with this idea, I think we just might do it up here too. Throw a plate up there.
Yeah.
Easier, so a little cleaner.
No glove, no love, baby. Get the gloves so we can get some love.
Special delivery for Chach. Got a Matco gun.
My first spray gun.
It's nice, dude. I like the color.
So I'll use this for the primer and the base.
Is
and
it
then-
is it clear a thinner coat?
Yeah, thinner. So it'll be probably like a 1.2.
Yeah, I think 1.3 or 1.2.
Yeah.
Hey, you better use that gun on your bae, bro.
Thought I was gonna get yelled at. Sparks on the ground. Regroup.
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 Team meeting.
Team meeting. Yeah. Again. See sparks flying to the ground. There's plenty of protective equipment around. Put it up where it needs to be, guys. Please. Let's not stop productivity.
Let me see. Let me see the magic. Grinding it all down. Damn. That's good.
It's going.
It's really good. It's all good, bro. A little bit of filler, a little bit of Bondo. You're good.
You want to fill in everything though first, tack it all up.
Yeah, I'll tack it all up and then.
For sure.
You can't leave any gaps, so you fill it all in and grind it back down.
Yeah, or it'll sink, huh? Or a crack right there.
Yeah. And then you put some kitty hair.
Damn, look at you, bro.
Template for the.
Hey, I know where you got that practice from. From the tiles. There you go, dropping shit. Better find it. I'm gonna be taking off right now. We gotta go grub. I'm starving. We're gonna get some in and out. In and out, yes, yes. Been craving it for a while, even though we had it like last week. We didn't know we were gonna make this a video. John and Junior wanted to practice a little bit with the camera, show you guys what we've been doing behind the scenes, and they wanted to try it out. So I continued it today. This truck is gonna go back to Junior's house, and that's where he's gonna be doing all the body work. And then we're gonna be bringing in more stuff to work on, including Carlo's car that we're gonna be manual swapping once he comes back from vacation that he takes like 10 times a year. On that note, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share. See you guys